Hi everyone, hope you're all having a happy Monday. Soda's Creative Corner, and I just wanted to share um, a new project that I made thanks to T. Myers Handmade, and I'm going to show you her link um, at the end. So she's already gotten 113 views on how to make her little bags, and I just took the inspiration and made a phone bag, like a lot of comments had suggested that they wanted to do as well. So here's mine, and the bag sits at 38-inch necklace, and put a little shell dangle with a little tassel to look like a little hula skirt. Lined it with some yellow material, and I have a few more in the making, but I'll show those another time. I just wanted to thank T. Myers Handmade for her lovely bags and her easy tutorial on how to make them. So I'm going to put her link up and hope you visit her, and if you liked it enough, tell her that Soda's Creative Corner sent you. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one. Be safe, be happy, God bless, and bye for now.